Lazy paddling is now the smartest paddling. BlueDrive Power Fin secrets. Ever felt like your paddleboard is secretly trying to kill you? Arms screaming, wind laughing, and that perfect spot still a mile away? You're not weak. The game's just rigged. Drop dying in the comments if you've ever been betrayed by a headwind. Keep watching, because we're about to break the rules together. Imagine getting to the Sunset Cove and realizing you have zero gas left for the return trip. Suddenly, the vibe flips from magic to survival. We've all cut adventures short, ghosted friends mid-lake, or sworn off SUP forever after one brutal beatdown. What if you could stay out twice as long without turning into a noodle-armed zombie?
Meet the Aqua Marina BlueDrive Power Fin, the removable electric propeller that slides into any standard fin box and turns your regular SUP into a silent cheating machine. 240 watt of brushless thrusts, wireless wrist remote, reverse gear, and a magnetic kill switch that stops everything if you yeet overboard. One angler told me he trolled an entire shoreline with a beer in one hand and rod in the other. Fish never saw him coming. A mom said her 70-year-old dad now outruns the grandkids because the fin paddles for me. It's not a jetboard. It's the lazy genius upgrade your board has been begging for. Stick around till the end. I'll show you the one remote trick that instantly doubles battery life when the wind turns evil.
Picture this. You glide past the pack while everyone else is still huffing and puffing. Quiet, smooth, smug. That's the BlueDrive life. Thousands of owners say the same thing. I used to be done after 45 minutes. Now I'm out for hours and still have arms left for beers. A big wave filmer told me the steady thrust gives him buttery drone shots without paddle splash. A tournament angler swears it's the quietest trolling motor he's ever used. Fish literally swim right up to the board. One reviewer called it the e-bike moment for paddleboarding, and honestly, he's not wrong. It's slightly controversial. Purists whine about cheating, but tell that to the dad who finally kept up with his kids, or the woman who explored a 12-mile lake loop without crying on the way back. Which feature sounds sexiest to you? Hands-free fishing, windproof returns, or just looking effortlessly cool? Comment your favorite. I'm reading every single one. Stock is running low again. Every summer, these disappear faster than cold beer at a barbecue. If you've ever been stuck watching the shore get smaller while your arms turn to jelly, today's the day you fix it forever. Grab the Aqua Marina BlueDrive Power Fin, strap on that remote, and go steal adventures people think are impossible. Click the link, secure yours before they're gone, and then come back here and comment "glide" when you're out there laughing at the wind. Your future smug self is waiting. Don't keep him paddling manual.